In English, we could say, I know she's shocked. In ASL, we'll go like this. Let's explore how to sign, I know she's shocked. I, just a personal pronoun, index finger, of course, hand shape, just point at yourself. I. Here's the sign for no. All right, use your dominant hand shaped like this. It's going to bend down a little bit the fingers. And just take the tips and go on the side of your forehead. No. From the side. No. Other side. Front again. You can have a nodding look if you want, No. Okay. She, we're just going to point at her, index finger, right? She. It's Isabella, she's over there. She. Margaret, she. She's not here. What do? We just sign off to the side, right? She. Here is a sign for shocked. Okay, it's a two-part sign. First, we're going to use our index finger and just go like mind or think. Just point at the side of your head, tap the side of your head, forehead there. Go like this, and then come down to this. All right, hand shapes are like claws, and you're just kind of like, So just think like mind frozen. That is shocked. Open your eyes a little bit, have a shocked, surprised look on your face. Shocked. From the side. Other side. From the front again. Shocked. All right, facial expressions, very, very important. You wouldn't be like, all right, put it on your face, show the emotion, communicate what's happening in the situation. All right, we have all the signs. Sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. I know she shocked. All right, let's speed up. Okay, let's try. We know you shocked. All right, let's go nice and slow, switching out both pronouns. We know you shocked. We know you shocked. Let's do it again. We know you shocked. So it's like we know that your brain is frozen, because that's like the idea for shocked. You're shocked. You can't move. All right, let's try. They know we shocked. All right, they know we shocked. Let's do it. They know we shocked. Okay, have fun with it. In this lesson, we talked about how to sign, I know she's shocked.